How can we help patients get to destination pain-free? Getting to destination pain-free these holidays. Hi, PRP, PRF, exosomes, stem cells, photoactivation, MUSE. What are all these things and why do you need to know about them? Because these are the future treatments available today that are able to help you get pain-free and moving better as fast and efficiently as possible. As we get older, or the more we injure ourselves, our body and tissues stop healing and we start to lose function and get pain. I want you to imagine that you are on a journey to pain-free. Now, for some people, this is just a short walk from one side of your house to the other. Sure, it might take a little longer than normal, or you want sometimes to get there, but in the end, you will get there walking. You can do it on your own. Now, what happens if the distance between you and pain-free is to the other side of your city? Maybe too far to walk yourself, but now if you had a horse and cart, that would be like what your chiropractor and physiotherapist could help you with. Help carry extra load and make things go a lot faster. What if the distance between you and pain-free was a couple of 100 kilometers, like from one side of your country to the other? You might be able to do this on a horse and cart, but it might take too long and the horse or you might die on the way. This is where PRP can help. It is like a healing car that can drive you there. Sure, you might have to stop to refuel a couple of times on the way, but it makes the journey of 1,000 miles actually achievable. But what if there was an ocean between you and pain-free? This is where exosomes come in. Exosomes are like a fighter jet, incredibly powerful, supercharged, and suddenly make flying over an ocean look like a breeze. We all know, however, that jet planes can only travel so far without having to stop and refuel. And now what would happen if there was nowhere to stop or refuel on the way to pain-free? What if the distance was so great that it was like going to the moon? Then we would need to use something with the greatest healing potential known. We would need a rocket. This is where stem cells come in. They are like a rocket that can be used to blast your back and joints out of this world of pain and to the pain-free moon. Now, if you only need to go from one side of your house to the other, you do not need a rocket. That would be overkill. But at the same time, there's no point using a horse and cart to try and travel to the other side of the world. Amazing technology is available today. Having pain is normal, but chronic pain is not. If you aren't getting the results you want, if you want to be pain-free, let's see how we can help. This is for everyone that has chronic joint and back pain, from the builders to the nurses, the weekend warriors to the retired, from the 20-somethings to the 80-somethings. We are helping everyday people every day get pain-free and their life quality back. Let's see if we can help you get to your destination.